Let us see about capacitor. Capacitor is a device that stores electric energy in an electric field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. Let us move on. Capacitor with dielectrics. A common example of dielectrics, it is easily electrical insulating material between the metallic plates of capacitor. The polarizations of the dielectric by the applied electric field increase the capacitor surface charge for the given electric field strength. Let us move on. Frequently used capacitor, and the first one is polystyrene capacitor. The polyester capacitor or capacitor composed of metallic plates with polyester film between them or a metallized film. It is deposited or the insulating polyester capacitor are available in the range of 1 nanofarad to 15 microfarad and with working voltage from 50 volts to 1500 volts. They come with the tolerance range of 5%, 10% and 20%. Let us move on. Ceramic capacitor. A ceramic capacitor is a fixed value capacitor where the ceramic material acts as a dielectric. It is considered of two or more alternating layer of ceramic and a metal layer acting as the electrodes. The compositions of the ceramic material defines the electrical behavior and therefore applications. Let us move on. Electrolyte capacitor. An electrolyte capacitor is a polarized capacitor whose anode or positive plates are made up of metal that forms an insulating oxide layer through anodization. This oxide layer acts as a dielectrics of the capacitor. Let us move on. Variable capacitor. The variable capacitor is a capacitor whose capacitance may be intensely and repeatedly changed mechanically and electronically. Variable capacitors are often used in LC circuit to set the resonance frequency. Let us move on. Capacitor in series and parallel. Let us know about some brief about how does the capacitor connected in series. When the capacitors are connected in series, the total capacitance individually capacitance. If two or more capacitors are connected in series, the overall effect is that of single capacitor having the sum of total plates spacings of the individual capacitor. Let us move on. Capacitor in parallel. When the capacitors are connected together in parallel, the total or equivalent capacitance, equal to the sum of all the individual capacitance added together. Then the total capacitance, the value of capacitor connected together in parallel, is actually calculated by adding the plates area together. Capacitors are used in tuning circuit and dynamic elements of computer system. When the charge and the voltage are equal, then the capacitance equal or farad 1 farad as per the formula C is equal to Q by V. Define capacitance. The capacitance of the capacitor is defined as the charge stored per unit potential difference change. C is equal to Q by V. The unit of capacitance Farad F, and also Q is equal to CV and V is equal to Q by C. Thank you.